as we have indicated in the study of soil science, it is a very broad topic. So, ang daming pinag-aaralan dito. So, there are actually two approaches involved in studying soils that are important in building the concepts ng mga pag-aaralan natin sa soil science. Imagine a scientist dito sa Pilipinas. So, ang ginawa ng scientist na to is pinag-aralan niya yung mga different soil types dito sa Pinas. And then, minap out niya yung classification ng mga soils na to based on his or her understanding sa kung anong mga klaseng rocks yung nag-weather to form that particular soil. Now, that scientist is studying mostly the soil itself. Yung morphology ng soil, yung soil characteristic, and its classification. Now, that scientist is approaching soil science in a pedological approach. Now, dako naman tayo. Let's say, imagine an agronomist. Itong agronomist na to, naatasan siya na pumunta sa field ng kanyang farmer client para pag-aralan kung ano yung fertilizer or ano yung pwedeng gawin sa lupa ng farmer that would allow the farmer's crop to grow more and reproduce more. Ito namang agronomist na to is approaching soil science in an edaphological approach. Question is, ano ba kasi yung distinction ng dalawang approaches na to sa pag-aaral ng soils? Okay. When we say we are approaching soil science in a pedological approach, we are merely studying the soil itself or the soil in its natural environment. Okay? Or the formation of soil from the rocks. Tinitignan natin yung history niya ng physical and chemical weathering. So that's pedology. That's part of pedological approach. Okay? Ang edaphological naman, they concentrate on the practical aspect of soil science, which is paano sinusuportahan ng soil ang growth ng plants. Okay? So may pagka-utilitarian. May pagka-utilitarian itong approach na to. Utilitarian kasi based on the practical use of the soil, whereas itong pedological is mostly on understanding. Okay? Based on understanding the soil itself. Ano yung focus ng pedological approach? Ang focus ng pedological approach is on the classification and characterization of soil. So ano ba yung classification niya? Vertisol ba siya? Entisol? Histosol? Later on, pag-aaralan natin yung mga different classifications na yan. How was it formed? Okay? How was it formed? And even yung kanyang structure. Platy ba siya? Blacky? Diba? Yung mga different soil structures na yon. Yun ang focus ng pedological approach. Whereas sa edaphological naman, ang focus niya is soil fertility. Diyan na pumapasok yung mga cation exchange concepts, yan, macro and micronutrients in the soil. Okay? Paano natin ilalabas yung nutrient from the soil into the plant roots. Okay? So anything that is related that would affect plant growth, that's edaphological. Okay? Ang pedological, remember guys, hindi less emphasis natin dyan yung practical use and more on understanding it, the scientific understanding of the soil. Okay? So just analyzing the soil itself. Whereas sa edaphological naman, ang ang pinaka-aim niyan or pinaka-goal niyan is to enhance agricultural productivity or even sa part ng forestry and environmental science kapag gusto nilang mag-restore ng mga lupa into forest. At the same time, managing the soil para paano ba siya mas maging productive for human consumption.